Hi everyone, so this is obviously not the makeup look that I'm making in this video. I'm recording this intro on another day because I realized that I didn't record an intro. So, hi everyone, this is a video where I do my summer makeup. This is like the kind of makeup that I wear or have worn for the last couple of weeks, almost every day. And it just gets me in the summer vibes and it makes me very happy to do this makeup. So if you want to see how I do my summer makeup, please keep on watching. So first off, I'm starting with the GlamGlow Glowstarter in Nude Glow. I'm going to prime my eyes with the Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish eyeshadow base. And while that is drying, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Artist palette, and I'm using the Real Techniques brow brush to fill in my brows. And then to hide the fact that I have to do my brows again, I'm using the Revolution Makeup, the Conceal and Define Concealer, just to make the brow a little bit more neat. Now the base is done. I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I'm using the color Bay just to make sure I have a nice base, and then the colors I'm applying over it will blend a lot better. So the first color is Sandalwood. I'm using that with a fluffier brush just to make sure that my crease is beginning to form. Then to define the crease a little bit more, I'm using the color Henna with the same brush. And since it's summer, I like to use a pop of color, so I'm mixing the colors Bossy and Flamingo just to make sure that there is a pop of color. I am so into pink this summer, you don't even know. And then for my eyelid, I'm using the color Angelic. I feel like putting this color on with my fingers works a lot better than using a brush for this. And afterwards, just to make sure that there are no sharp edges, I like to grab my Sigma E40 brush to blend everything together. Then for liner, I use the NYC Cityproof 24-hour waterproof liner. This is one of the best eyeliners I've ever used. It only costs $3.50 and you can get it at your local drugstore. Unfortunately, it doesn't last very long because there is not so much in the package, but it is blacker than black, it's jet black, so it is beautiful. Mascara, I'm using the Cosmetics Lengthening mascara. I think this is one of the best mascaras I've ever tried. It lengthens my lashes so well. So after we cut all the fallout, we're going over to our base. I'm using the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the color Gingerbread, and I'm blending that out with my Oval 6 brush by MAC. After that, it is time for concealer. I'm using the Revolution Makeup Conceal and Define Concealer in the color C11
For my brows, I use the color C12 because that is more near my own skin color. And does anyone else pull their weird faces while doing their makeup? Unfortunately, I do. And now it's time to bronze up my face. I'm using the bronzer from the MAC Studio palette and my Morphe angled brush. Then it's time to bake. I'm using the W7 Banana Dreams powder and I'm going to bake underneath the bronzer and underneath my under eye area. And I like baking because it gives my contour a little bit of more of a sharper shape. And I'm not going to bake the under eye for too long because I find that it's drying, so I'm powdering it off almost right away. And to finish off the eye look, I'm using the color Bossy and Flamingo again, just to make sure that my lower lash line is more defined also. So now it's time for a lippy. I'm using the Huda Beauty lip contour in the color Icon. I like this as a base for other lipsticks. Sometimes I like mixing it with my lipstick in the color Whirl from MAC. Sometimes I use it with other liquid lipstick, like in this video. I'm going to use it with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Madrid. So now our cake is done and we're going to powder off the bake. And now you'll see that the contour is a little bit more sharp. Also, I'm going in with some blush from the same MAC Beauty palette. And I'm going to highlight also with that same palette. Oh, look at the payoff. You'll see in a few seconds, like now. The payoff is very good. It just cost me like $5. If it's at your local TJ Maxx, please get it, or TK Maxx in some countries. Very important with this weather is to finish it off with a setting spray. I'm using the Tarte Rainforest Sea one. And that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. See you next time. Bye bye.